Hi, this is Ian from Lynar Studios, and this is a short introduction to the Lynar Moon Engine. The Lynar Moon Engine is a free cross-platform 2D game engine, and it runs on multiple operating systems like Windows, Linux and Android. And the cool thing about it, it's written in C and C++. Are there any games written with Lynar Moon? Well, there is one called Solar Light. It's a science fiction adventure and available in Google Play Store. Where can you get Lynar Moon? Well, it's available on the official website. This is the link. Or you can download it from GitHub as well. Let's also have a short look at the Lynar Moon architecture. As you can see, we have the hardware level here, and on top of that we have SDL, which stands for Simple Direct Media Layer. It's a graphics card API. And on top of that we have the actual engine, containing functions for line, general, model, font, point, time event, text, sound, window and video. Thanks for watching, and visit the official website for more information.